Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing bed transformation video. As you can see on the screen, this is the before. This is a kid's bed. It's a 4x6 bed that we are going to be transforming in this video today. So make sure to stay till the end of the video. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us, coming back and watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. So for this bed today, I'm going to be starting by cutting off these knobs that you see on this headboard, those ones that I'm going to be cutting. And also I'm going to be leveling this headboard, this part. I'm going to be cutting the curved part, but you are going to be seeing me cutting it in this part here. So as usual, I usually start by making the headboard, as you can see on the screen. If you're new here, feel much welcome. This is your first time clicking on our videos. I want to welcome you in our channel. Kindly subscribe to our channel if this is the kind of videos that you like, that is transformation videos, DIYs and more, because we have a lot of more videos, different type of videos in our channel. You can visit our channel and watch them. So if this is your first time clicking on our video, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So this is me here making this part here, this structure that I'm going to be making. And this one, I'm going to be using it to raise the height of the headboard, because the current headboard, or most of these beds that I usually transform, have a height of around 3 feet height. So mostly I usually raise them, and I usually make this structure here to raise or to add the height of the headboard so that I can work on it. And then after that, I'll be covering everything with the plywood. So this is me just attaching the structure that I've made onto the original headboard. Then after that, you'll just see all the steps. So make sure to watch the video till the end, don't skip, so that you can fully understand all the steps and processes that I've followed while making this transformation video. And you may never know what you will learn. Maybe you can learn something from us, 1 or 2 things that is from us. Another thing that I usually do, I also work on the lower side of the bed, that is the leg side. As you can see, I'm just adding these pieces of wood, that is the top, just to level it. And then the other one that you see at the lower part of the legs, of this lower side, you can see that I usually put it there so that it will bring out the nice look, or it will look bigger like the modern beds, because these old beds usually have a very thin board, like the structure is usually thin. So I usually just modify it so that it will look nice. And here I'm just cutting the form, and then after that I'm going to be showing you these materials, the tools and materials that I'm going to be using. And this is the fabric that my client wanted for the child, that is baby pink. That is the material. And then after that, I'll just start making the bed. So keep watching the video, enjoy it. And if you haven't liked this video till this far, kindly do so, like it, comment on it, and don't forget to share. Now enjoy the video. And don't forget to tell me what you think about the video or the bed transformation in the comment section below. and I will really appreciate that.